guys, so it is Christmas Day, and we're going to be filming a Christmas bait making video. Is that correct?
Yes. Kason came down from Indiana, and so I showed him my whole setup. I got some new molds today. I got the bass tackle ribbon tail and the bass tackle Senko mold, and then I got a do it swim bait mold.
That's what I'm most excited about. Probably going to go broke from buying her dang baits.
So we're going to be making some Christmas colored baits today with the new molds, and then we're going to give them to Kason and his friend and Jackson and Griffin if they want some. And we're just going to show you how to do it. So,
yep.
It's like ridiculous how these things are so expensive too. So I've already done a video on this before, but I didn't have a cameraman. So first you gotta take your plastic. I got the Dead On Plastic Worm Blend, and you gotta shake it up really good. So that should be good. We're going to be making two colors today. We're going to be making a Christmas color with the dark watermelon and the red and the silver. That's going to be the first color. And the second color is going to be a clear plastic with red, green, and silver. Just some colors I thought of for Christmas. And so we're going to get out our Pyrexes and we're going to pour some. Do you want some of these to take in?
I mean, sure, yeah.
Okay, then I'll pour extra.
Put them in my locker for advertising.
We'll do 3/4 cup then.
Sorry for the loud audio upstairs.
Christmas party.
It's Christmas with a redneck family.
Okay, so we're gonna start putting one in the microwave, and then we'll put the other one while we're making the color. So I put a 1/2 cup in the microwave for about 2 minutes. So I'm gonna start with 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna mix it. So that goes in for 2 minutes, and then you gotta wait till it's clear.
Look at this fancy person here in her pajama pants still, but
Yep.
got this fancy bright light here. Big studio.
Okay, so we take it out. This was in for 2 minutes. Now it is clear. It's not fully done yet, but I'm gonna take it out and put the color in. For 2 minutes. So for the first color, we got MF Dark Watermelon. We got some tiny Lureworks silver, and then we got some red flake. And we're going to add it in our plastic.
Just because all that white.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add our colors. I'm just going to add a bunch until it comes out. Where'd I put my knife?
That looks wonderful.
It might be close to the... Yeah, you see that on the knife? That's how you tell. Don't want to make it too dark. We'll add a drop or two more.
Looks wonderful, actually.
Okay, so I think that's good. What are you doing? We're gonna add, we'll add that much to start with. Then we'll add some of our silver. We'll start with that. There's a lot of red on my knife. Okay, so we're gonna take this color out, put this one back, oh, whoops. Put that one back in for maybe, I don't know, minute? No, 45. We'll do 45 seconds. And then we're gonna start working on this color. Red, green flake, and silver flake. We'll start with the green. We're not gonna add any colors, we're just gonna do. There goes the green. That should be enough.
Oh, we forgot. Elmer Fudd's here.
Then in goes the red. And then in goes the silver. What? No, it's fine. It's all going to be clumped up because it's not heated enough, but okay, so we're done with this color. We're going to put it back in the microwave and then get our other color ready to inject our new molds. So you can see now it's nice and runny, which is what you want. That took the whole injector. Okay, so we'll have to wait for this to clear out until we can do the other two.
Alright, so I have to ask this question. Why do the baits smell like garlic? I know you guys can't obviously smell them.
Yeah,
but they smell a lot like garlic. Is there a scent you put in there, or?
Well, yes. So I have scented worm oil, which is garlic flavored, and you have to lubricate this so it, like, the O-rings don't explode. You put it in here so the action moves smoothly, and then that just makes the bait smell like it.
Fishing with the baits, honestly, I've caught a lot of fish off of just the generic trawls that she does, and fishing with those, I think the garlic scent actually helps a lot. So.
Oops, that's not closed tight enough. That one's overfilled. I just cooked these too long. That's all. Yeah, that one might not turn out good, but I think that one and I don't know about that one, maybe. Okay, so we're gonna take these out. I don't know if the ribbon tails turned out or not because they kind of came out the top, but we're gonna open them anyway. We'll do the swim bait first. So here are our swim baits. Looking good. Like I said, I'm new to these molds.
Just got them this morning.
Just got them this morning.
You're gonna cut your finger up. That's what's gonna happen.
This is a 98-cent Walmart knife. I think I'll be fine. They just come right out. There we go.
Cheese and rice, my dude.
Got it. Well, we got one. Okay, well that one didn't work. But look how cool this one looks. The color is a little light, but Christmassy enough.
New Senko mode.
Yep.
Those turned out great.
Except this one got a little. I need to buy clamps. Okay.
Question of the year. Where's the bathroom?
Okay. So this is the clear color.
I'm getting back so it's like we're gonna squirt everywhere.
Let's see if we have enough for this mold. I don't think we will, but maybe we do. And we'll have to wait to do the Senko mold.
The Shop Carl's Googan Mondo box, and yet to open it. So we're going to open this bad boy. The Mondo kit here. It shows that we got the flat banger, the zinger, the juicy jig, crack and crawl, and a sun mask. So we're gonna see if all those things are in this Googan box. Alrighty. So opening up our box, we got this little Googan card here, Mondo kit card. Just tells you everything that's in your box. And then looky here, we got this thing. This is the flat banger, Googan Squad crankbait. Really good bait there. We're gonna have to try that one out. We have our juicy jig here. That looks like it'll work real well. Our Googan Squad sticker. I'm a big sticker fan. This is a Googan Squad.
It's a Necco.
Yeah, it goes around your neck when you're fishing. I think you might be able to see that there. You know, it can go around as a headband, a mask. It's basically to keep the sun off of you. There, we have the zinger spinner bait here. That looks like a real good bait. Crack and crawl. I fish these baits all the time, so we're definitely gonna put these things to use this year. So.
Okay, so I'm gonna open. I think this is a Senko mold. Yeah. Some of these didn't come out because I didn't have enough. But we got 3 that came out good.
Definitely look Christmassy.
Yeah. So. Next mold, we got our swim baits. I think these are like the 3-inch. And the last bait we got our ribbon tails.
I feel like these always come out good.
There we go. So there's our Christmas ribbon tails.
Shout out to Matthew for buying these great baits.